Established in 2006, Ningbo Guoten Industrial Company Limited is a leading professional supplier and exporter of folding saw, handsaw, pruning shears, electric pruning shears, cordless chainsaw, and other professional agriculture and garden tools in Ningbo, China. With more than 16 years know-how experience of exporting goods in the area of agriculture and garden tools, our products have won great reputation and positive feedback from our customers and end users. We not only use special, unique imported steel alloy and advanced hardening process technology, but also upgrade the equipment of blades grinding process to improve and ensure the quality of our product. All of our products are totally quality controlled before shipment. Our mission is to research and develop the most effort-saving, durable and precise professional hand tools and battery-powered tools for professional and DIY use. Through 16 years development, our company has become an enterprise with R&D and marketing capabilities. In addition, our own professional R&D team and after-sales service team not only could provide our customers with OEM, ODM business service, but also could communicate with our customers with enthusiasm and sincerity to solve encountered problems. Our customers are from all over the world, including Western Europe, North America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, etc. You are welcome to visit our company and discuss the opportunities of our potential cooperation. We are looking forward to working with you.
Dear friends, you are warmly welcome to visit us. We are looking forward to working with you. Thank you.